Okay.
Ganda.
I think I want this one. Yeah.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Saya. Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Ako nga pala si Fuji at mahilig ako mag-story time. I-follow nyo na ako. Dito ako ngayon sa Busan, South Korea! Yay! Kakarating lang namin. Dito kami ngayon dahil gusto namin i-explore yung Gimhae International Airport. I-explore yung kanilang international hub or gateway para i-feature yung airport nila. It's an international airport. May bumabiyahe na aeroplano from Philippines to Busan. And kung gusto nyong pumunta dito sa Busan directly na hindi pumupunta sa Seoul or hindi nanggagaling sa Jeju, you can fly from Manila to Busan, South Korea. Ano bang meron sa Busan? It's a coastal metropolitan city. And it is also known for its great seafood, great culture, great tradition. And sabi nung guide namin kanina, this is a city na nag-improve yung economical development ng South Korea before Seoul happened. So, this might be an interesting city. Very excited ako to explore more of Busan kasi nung last visit namin, very quick lang yun. Nanood lang kami ng concert. Tapos, kumain ng konti. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang airport experience kung hindi tayo kakain. We're going to a place kung saan makakainan na paboritong pinupuntahan ng mga gumagamit ng Gimhae Airport. Yay! Ang lamig. Ito na yung itsura ng arrivals dito sa Gimhae Airport. Malinis, organized, tapos may mga different na kainan. For example, new visitor kayo dito sa Korea, yung itong convenience store na to, dito kayo pwede bumili ng T-Money or Climate Card. Busan. At yung Pilipinas, isa sa mga top visitors here in Gimhae Airport when it comes to Southeast Asia. Very, very interesting. So, originally, nag-open yung airport na to in 1958. Pero, hindi pa Gimhae Airport yung pangalan niya. It's called Suyong Airfield. Merong 1,214 flights per week na umaandar dito sa airport na to. At 20 airlines ang nag-ooperate sa Gimhae Airport. Hello! Ayan. I learned so many things from her. So, if you're a Filipino and you want to fly here, you can fly from Manila, from Clark, from Cebu, and from Bohol. So, if you're also Korean, you can fly going to Bohol, Manila, Clark, and in Cebu. Right? Correct?
Yeah,
I'm
correct.
Correct. Ito na yung departures area nila. So, it's located sa second floor ng airport. Similar lang sa mga departure areas na meron sa normal airport. On the third floor, makikita mo din conveniently yung mga different kinds of cafes, different kinds of restaurants. Merong lounge, merong restaurants, ayan, Korean restaurants, may fast food, merong coffee shop kung gusto magkape. Meron ding self-check-in counters dito that you can conveniently use. Meron kang excess baggage charge, dito ka na sana hindi mangyari. Malaki rin yung board nila, madaling makikita for your reference kung paparating na ba yung flight mo or dumating na ba yung flight. Merong currency exchange at meron ding ATM. So, if you're an international traveler, tapos gusto mong magpapalit ng pera, gusto mong mag-withdraw na lang ng pera, may mga options na yan for you. Gusto mo naman ng something familiar, and may Dunkin din dito. At napansin ko ang dami nilang toilet. Dahil nga meron kaming access at kasama namin yung mga staff from Gimhae Airport. Nandito kami ngayon sa waiting area for international flights. At ito ang aming kakainan, ang Korean Ramyun Bar or K-Ramyun Bar. I think it's sa mga popular na lugar na pinupuntahan dito. And wala lang, nakakatawa. This is giving Mendokoro ramen. Mag-apply pa ako ng trabaho, kaya ganito po yung suit ko. Order na tayo, tutulungan tayo.
And then you can choose your ramen. This is the set menu. There's the ramen. And there's the meals. You can add the sides as well, like little kimbap.
Cheese.
Like sliced cheese. I love sliced cheese. Topping. And
What do you
I think,
recommend us to get?
I think if you want a spicy, I'll go for the Furda.
Buldak? Oh, maybe that's super spicy.
I like this one as well. This is jjajangmyeon.
Jjajangmyeon. I like jjajangmyeon.
Ramen type.
I like jjajangmyeon. Okay. So we get jjajangmyeon.
You wanna get two?
Yes. Next.
What do you want to try?
So when you choose the menu,
Like a soupy one? Press X.
Nagtandem kami ni Camille. Ang kinuha namin ay isang set meal ng jjajangmyeon, which is yung black bean noodles soup. Ay,
No,
walang
no
soup. Black bean noodles at saka yung normal na ramen. And then nag-add kami ng slices of cheese and nag-add din kami ng 4 na kimbap. Tapos may mando rin kami kasama. So yun. Ito na yung food namin. Merong ramyun na normal. Tapos ito yung kimbap. And then ito na yung jjajangmyeon. Oh my god, ito na yung jjajangmyeon.
Maybe we should do another one with the food.
Bango. Food? Yay! I'll just mix. I will try. Taste test. Init. Pero ang sarap. It's very rich. It's also sweet. Hindi siya sour. Pero sarap. Meron siya a little bit of meat. A little bit of meat. Ang sarap nila.
Masarap tayo. I love spice.
We have kimbap. Galing sa noodles ni Camille.
Bodoh. Apa sih?
Sarap.
Tidak menarik dia guys. Tidak banyak ditanya di vlog ini.
And dumpling.
I think they buy it for the. So we just gonna leave it here. Cuman dia sumpah kayak sayangin tidak halal. Tapi buat yang makan yang tidak halal ini, ayo sih itu take out deh. Bilang aja ini tidak halal. Tidak halal.
Ito try ko.
Ini enak
Ito yung normal ramen.
Tapi beneran deh. Apalagi dikasih cabai itu buset dah.
Naghang siya.
Udah.
Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ayan, di ba? Dumidigay pa ako. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Tapos, habang kumakain ng jjajangmyeon, alam mo, na-realize ko kung gaano ka inculcated yung Korean culture sa akin. Kasi naalala ko, nung nag-move out ako for the first time, at inaayos ko yung condo. Kasi from living with my parents, nag-condo na ako. Nung inaayos ko yung condo, nung day 1, in-invite ko yung mga friends ko para tulungan ako sa mga lamesa, upuan, pag-ayos ng refrigerator, etc. etc. Tapos, syempre kailangan ko silang pakainin kasi syempre sa pagtulong sa akin. So, umorder kami ng jjajangmyeon. Tapos, na-realize ko na kaya kami kumain ng jjajangmyeon dahil in Korea, merong kultura dito na first day of moving in mo, parang it's sort of a ritual, nakakain ka ng jjajangmyeon. Wala lang. Parang nagkaroon ng relieving moment for me yun, na parang grabe yung Korean culture na impact sa akin na ginawa ko yun. Okay, dito sa Gimhae Airport ay meron ding Heineken bar. So, kung ang tagal pa ng flight mo, pwede kang mag-stay muna dito para mag-drinks, kain-kain ka, ganyan. Tapos kung meron kasamang bata, meron ding playroom dito. Ang luwag nung airport, 'di ba? Niisip ko nga okay kaya to na mag-fly na lang ako to Busan muna to explore more of South Korea next time. What do you guys think? Comment nyo naman kung gusto nyong bumalik ako sa Busan para mag-explore ng mga provinces dito sa may South.
Take a break muna tayo sa video dahil sasabihin ko ang mga requirements na kailangan ninyo kung pupunta kayo sa Busan, South Korea if you are a Filipino. Unang-una, kailangan ninyo ng valid passport. Pangalawa, kailangan ninyo ng visa. Kailangan nyo ng valid South Korean visa. Pangatlo, syempre, kailangan nyo ng flight tickets. Merong 4 na lugar kung saan kayo pwede mag-take ng direct flights from the Philippines papunta sa Busan, South Korea. Yan ay from Naiya sa Manila, Cebu, Bohol, at sa Clark International Airport. Kailangan nyo rin mag-prepare ng travel tax. Sometimes kasama siya sa pag-purchase nyo ng flight ticket, pero minsan wala. Kailangan nyo rin mag-fill out ng mga documents. At una nyo kailangan i-fill out ay ang e-travel form na makikita nyo sa screen ninyo ngayon. Upon arrival sa South Korea, kailangan nyo rin mag-fill out ng e-arrival card. At magagawa nyo yun sa website na ito. Additional essentials na kailangan nyo i-prepare, hindi required pero mas mabuti na meron kayo. Unang-una, kailangan ninyo ng hotel booking. Sometimes, tinatanong sa immigration yan saan ka magsistay, patingin ng hotel booking mo. So, book in advance. Ako, nagbo-book ako sa Klook app ng mga hotel at kung gusto nyo maka-discount, gamitin nyo yung Klook code ko na Buji Babiera Klook para makatipid-tipid kayo sa inyong hotel accommodation. Pangalawa, dati hindi ito importante sa akin pero kumuha kayo ng travel insurance because you'll never know kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo sa inyong mga trips. Pangatlo ay kumuha kayo ng eSIM o kaya pocket wifi kung kayo ay group of people. Pero ako I highly recommend eSIM more than pocket wifi kasi kapag naghiwalay-hiwalay kayo, lugi yung mga taong walang may pocket wifi. So, para ikaw meron kang personal internet connection, eSIM na lang. Yung travel insurance sa yung eSIM, mabubook nyo rin yun sa Klook. At pwede pa kayo magka-discount again kung gagamitan nyo ng Klook code ko na Buji Babiera Klook. Gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo, if wala pa kayong visa, ganito yung process na ginawa ko. So, for the Korean visa application process, for short-term visits or for tourists na kagaya ko ay una, ito yung mga kailangan ninyo. 1, you need a valid passport na at least 6 months yung validity. Pangalawa, kailangan nyo mag-fill out ng application form. At yung application form na yan ay makikita nyo sa website na to. Kailangan nyo rin ng 2 pirasong visa pictures na pang South Korea. Pumunta lang kayo sa photo studio, magpa-picture kayo at sabihin nyo, visa po for South Korea at alam na nila yung gagawin nila doon. Ako, nagpasa ako ng proof of ties. Ano yung mga proof of ties? Certificate of Employment, Certificate of Engagement, at ang aking income tax return. Kailangan nyo rin ng bank certificate na worth 6 months with ADB. Please request that sa inyong bangko at bank statement na worth 3 months. Pwede nyo rin niyang i-request sa inyong mga respective banks. Please take note na lahat ng documents nyo ay dapat in A4 size at yung mga documents na kinuha nyo ay within 3 months para maging valid. Saan nyo naman ipapasa? Pwede kayong mag-walk-in sa KVAC or Korean Visa Application Center na matatagpuan sa Brittany Hotel na katabi lang ng SM Aura sa Taguig. Kung taga Cebu naman kayo, pwede nyo rin ipasa yan sa Cebu Consulate. Please prepare 900 pesos in cash dahil yan yung babayaran ninyo for your visa application. Bibigyan kayo ng tentative release date at hihintayin nyo lang ang text message saying na pwede nyo nang i-claim ang inyong passport at doon nyo malalaman kung approve or declined kayo. And please take note ngayon, 16 working days na ang kailangan nyong hintayin. At least 16 working days para ma-release ang inyong passport. So, plan ahead, apply ahead, and good luck sa inyo. Now, back to the video.
Nandito kami ngayon sa isang self-check-in counter kung saan meron kaming pwede kaming mag-shoot.
What are you getting? I'm getting this stupid glasses. Oh, I think I want to wear these glasses.
Maybe I'll wear this.
You're being a Halloween devil.
Yeah.
All the people.
Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby, angel. You're my real angel.
Is that Angle?
Yeah, it's Angle.
But
He said
angel.
hi, Angel.
Angle.
It's Angle.
What's the Korea? For my whole Korea.
Mine is fire.
Oh.
Yes.
Salute.
Salute.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Yay!
Okay.
감사합니다.
Korean? Oh, Korean heart.
Korean.
I think.
Okay. So, photoshoot na mukha akong bubuyog. Bugo shipta. May tono ba?
Okay, touch your favorite.
Oh! Is it for everyone?
Is it? Yeah.
Not this one. We take. Oh shit, we already chose it.
Yay! Yay! Wow! Saya. Na para bang 22 years old ako. Yung self-photo studio. Dito lang siya sa may departures area. So pagpasok mo from departures area, you just have to turn right. So may kita mo yung pharmacy tsaka yung Tulaju. Oh, may na-meet kami dito na Korean, pero
magandang hapon po. Ako po si Brian Choi. Nagsalita ko ng Tagalog, so kunti lang.
kaunti lang.
Pero kalimutan ko marami.
Sir Brian, bakit po kayo marunong mag-Tagalog?
Pero kalimutan ko marami.
Tumira po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Nasaan?
Tumira po kayo sa Pilipinas?
What is the meaning of tumira?
Na you live there?
Yeah. So mula 2015 hanggang 2017.
Saan po?
Sa Ifugao.
Oh, shout out to our Ifugao friends there.
Hello.
Do you miss Ifugao?
Opo.
Why did you go there?
Kasi ako ay volunteer international ng Koika.
Ah, Koika.
So Koika ay based on Koreano ng Peace Corps.
Peace Corps. Galing, salamat po. Pumunta kayo sa Pilipinas. Nakakatuwa, nakakapagtagalog
Wala
kami
naman
dito.
po.
Thank you, bye-bye po sir. Salamat. Okay, so nakalabas kami ng airport at ngayon magtutour na kami around Busan. Excited na ako. Start na kami ng tour at ito na kami sa Busan International Film Festival Square. Saan dito ginaganap ang BIFF or pinakasikat na Busan International Film Festival. Lagi ko lang ito naririnig sa mga friends ko kasi lagi silang nai-invite dito para mag-screen ng kanilang mga pelikula. So shout out sa inyo, sa mga kaibigan ko, Peter Sen, Jarel. Lagi kayong nandito. Sama nyo naman ako next time. Kunin nyo na akong artista sa pelikula nyo. And then over there, this is the oldest cinema in Busan. Kaya siguro dito ginaganap po yung BIFF. Ganda. Tapos dito, dami ring shops na pwede mong bilhan. Necktie, labubu, kung gusto mo, mga caps, nandyan. Para siyang kalmadong version ng Myeongdong. Like, way kalmado. May tanghulu. Ito yung theater na sinasabi niya. Ano to? Oh, tokboki. Ano to? Ay, shucks. Galing. What's the name of this? Hotok. Hotok? Hotok? Hotok. Running Man. So pumunta ata sila dito.
6개부터 일단은 먼저 해주시고요.
So ito yung laman niya. Siguro sweet caramel, nuts, and then mang bean.
Yeah, it's not available, so you can choose one of these.
I think I want this one, yeah.
Yeah.
Hana, Dol.
All seats? All seats?
Yeah.
You want this?
Which one do you want? This one. Also like 4 of this.
4 seats.
Mung bean, nuts,
Seed or the
honey.
seed? Seed or
Seed. This is Busan style.
What is
Ito daw Busan style to.
it's
Mung bean. Mung bean.
Mung bean.
May nakita tayong kabayan dito. Pwede ko mag-hello po sa vlog. Kabayan. Kabayan. I wanna know if you're really kabayan. Do you know how to sing? Just like, joke lang po. Kakain na tayo.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Start na? 1, 2, 3, and...
Be careful when you eat it.
Good. Guys, hot too.
There's texture, there's sweetness, there's love in doing this. I love it. I love it like a love song, baby.
Kalau nyanyi aja kacek dong.
Ngarap. So good, so good. Mashisayo.
감사합니다.
Film festival starts from here, so from the middle of the 90s.
Busan Center.
Yeah.
Is the cinema still operating?
Yeah, yes, so it's operating still.
And they still hold the program there.
Yes, yeah. So during the festival, they hold the program here. Yeah. Yeah, here is a handprint of the actors and directors from the many countries, and they continue still there.
Oh, there's like a Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Yeah, right. It is similar as that. And then these are the actors who visited in Busan for the festival.
Someday you will see my name here. You will see my hand here. And you will see the hand of this person here.
Yeah.
Ang galing kasi during the 1st hanggang sa 15th, ang tawag sa kanya ay Busan.
Yeah,
Like,
that's the old spell, and
with the
front
letter
there is the
P.
new spell.
At pagdating ng 16th year, ang spelling na niya ay Busan. Diba? O, ang galing Busan na siya, Busan. I love this actor, Tony Leung. Tony Leung, yeah. So, kung gusto nyong pumunta dito, ang feels niya ay parang Myeongdong pero mas low-key. Well, mas organized sa Myeongdong definitely. But I would say mas mura dito. Hindi rin siya overwhelming with many skincare, many items. Pero para sa shopping street. Hindi siya ganun kasing crowded ng Myeongdong, ng Hongdae. But at the same time, yung impression ko mas ano siya, mas I would say mas provincial vibe, parang gano'n. Tapos yung crowd din dito, mas madami yung mga tito, tita, lolo, lola than young people. And madaming turista. Well, I guess sikat talaga itong area na to for tourists.
And the weather is hotter down here. 5 degrees warmer than
Seoul. Ooh, interesting. Doon na kami ngayon sa Gamcheon Cultural Village at kami ay magtutour. Isa sa mga pinakasikat na lugar sa Busan. Wow, maganda. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Wow. So nice. Alam nyo na to. You got this. Yung Busan daw, hindi daw siya na during the war, hindi siya apektado. Kaya madami daw refugees na pumunta dito. And itong mga refugees na tumira dito sa Busan to seek shelter, gumawa sila ng mga villages. And this is one of the villages na nakuha nila. Ganda!
Houses from the 1950s, there was a renovation to build the brick and block houses at the 1970s. During the renovation period, the house owner have to paint their house by themselves. So they are buying the paint, and they painted it, but they don't use the 100%. So they use the 80%. Then the 20%, how about the other 20%? They give it to the other neighbors. The neighbor get the remnant of paint and then mix the color. And then they painted it. And then there's another remnant, give to the another neighbor, and then mix the color, and then they paint it again.
That's why this is the result.
Yeah, so originally, so it was there, but now it is very bright color and the very original color because it is now controlled by the district government. When you go to the others of the village types like here, most of the village has a lighter color than this one.
I see.
Now it is managed by the district government. That's why it is very bright.
Ganda. It's worth going, guys, just to see this. Ganda oh. Itong Gamcheon daw, unfortunately, is a place kung saan madami daw na poor Koreans yung nakatira. And yung government, nag-invite sila ng mga artists to revitalize the place, to make it more lively, to invite more tourists, to... Hiningal ako. Invite more economical movement, I guess, through tourism. Kaya pansinin nyo, sobrang lively ng area at sobrang daming nangyayaring ganap. Kasi, pinupush talaga nila na maging lively yung area para bisitahin ng mga tao. Kasi kung hindi, mapipilitan yung mga taga dito na lumipat sa ibang parts ng Busan para magtrabaho. And wala, mauubos yung mga residente dito. Parang nangyayari sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sa Pilipinas, ang daming umaalis, daming nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa kasi walang economic growth, walang financial gains for them, opportunities. So, yung government, gumawa sila ng paraan para sila na yung nadalhin yung opportunity sa lugar na to through creativity, through artists. Kakahingal. Nandito na kami ngayon sa tinatawag na Little Museum.
Please come here inside.
Ito yung lumang village.
So, as I mentioned, so this village was started by the war refugees. As you see, that they built the houses with the wooden materials, and then each house was like a size was that, and then it is combined each other that. So this house is what we call is a train house. It seems like a train house there. And then these are built by the war refugees.
Dito yan sa museum na yan. It's free to enter. Little Museum. Dami pa mga information doon. Puntahan nyo. Para magkaroon kayo ng context doon sa lugar. Ganda oh. Cute-cute na mga ano. Ay, may souvenir shop. Ay, ang cute. So, pwede ka talagang pumasok sa mga loob-loob na may mga nangyayari. Pinocchio oh. Nakita nyo ba yan? Cute naman na ito. Hello! Ito yung may mga artworks pa. Ay, ang ganda. Ang cute na ito. Bahay ba ito?
Buji. Only Rafael was swag.
Umakyat na kami ngayon. Kami ay naghahanap na kami ngayon ng other area. Mapagod. Hiking. Merong view deck sa taas. Ayun. Ang ganda. Ang ganda sunset
ang ganda
na.
Naman.
Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Gandara Park. Wow. Beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Tignan nyo, guys. Ganda. Diba? Ganda. Kyopta. Yun o, nadadaanan talaga siya ng mga tao. Meron silang dalawang mural dito dahil sila ay taga Busan. That's why meron sila dito. Tapos, kung army talaga kayo, alam nyo na may music video na ginawa dito ang mga Bangtan Boys. Kung alam nyo, i-comment nyo down below. Meron ding artwork dito nakalagay, Hello Gamcheon, tapos yung mga members ng BTS. Ang ganda. Nakita tayo mga kababayan. Hello! Ayos yung story time! Mga taga Quezon City sila. Ayan. No, may mga heart kami sa sa ulo. Mamaya bibigyan namin si Rafael. So cute!
Salamat po.
So cute.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Yung things in your
It's okay. It's an accessory.
It's cute eh. 5:30 na ng hapon. So, pa-sunset na dito, ngayong autumn. And, nagsasara na rin yung mga shops. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa village na to, make sure you go early. And 5:30, nagsisimula nang mag-close yung mga shops. And, sobrang ganda pag makita ito ng may araw. El, I have a gift. Take your hat off. Oh, we'll give it to you. Yeah. So it's like the four of us. With the heart. Kakatapos lang namin dun sa Gamcheon Village. So we are now here in Haeundae at kakain na kami ng dinner namin. Nag-prepare sila ng favorite ko, Korean barbecue. I'm so excited. Kasi parang OA, pero alam nyo naman sa Pilipinas sobrang sikat yung samgyeopsal at nag-prepare sila. So, it's in this restaurant. Papakita ko sa inyo. Dito na kami nakapwesto. And, ayan, we have pork here. This is pork, right?
Yeah, pork.
We have pork here, samgyeopsal. Ito yung mga banchan. Ito yung mga banchan. May fish cake, may samyang, may salad. May mga corn, crab, and something. May, yeah, I know. Matigil dito. Ano? Correct. I think wag na mag-jacket. So, ito, niluluto na sila sa kabilang area. So nice. Ito na nila yung ribs daw. Marinated pork ribs. Grabe. Namimiss ko tuloy yung mga friends ko. Kasi lagi kami nagsasamgyeopsal sa Manila. Yung group of friends ko na mi-meet ko sa Europe, talaga, ito talaga yung namin. Parang, lagi namin yan. So, every time na pupunta sila sa Pilipinas, samgyeopsal. Thank you, Katsanila. Ayan, malapit na maluto. I'm so excited. Yung mga kasama ko dito ngayon. It's si Gary, Ray.
Not Gary, tell me Daniel.
Daniel.
Call me Steven.
My
Steven.
name is Daniel.
Daniel.
His name is Steven.
Steven. Do you have an English name? Camille.
Camille.
This is Rafael. That's your English name.
Yeah.
What's your Korean name? Chanu. What's the English name? Do you have English name? Martha, yes. And the Korean name? Gio.
And curry.
It's something and it tastes good. You say, maladak. Maladak.
Masarap.
That
Masarap.
means exclusion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Masarap po.
No, stop saying how they.
It's so good. Dumating na pagkain. Ano yan? Kimchi jjigae. Kimchi jjigae?
Doenjang jjigae.
Soybean soup. Soybean stew. Wala akong energy. This is ours. Pagkain kaming dumating. It's cold noodles. At tuturuan ako ni Rafael.
Ice. Yeah. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
You put like how much? Wait. Moist. Okay. Vinegar. And this is
Mustard.
it's not mustard. I think it's similar to wasabi. Sauce, I think.
Wasabi?
Yeah, it's similar to wasabi. Mustard wasabi.
Oh, no.
It's spicy? Yeah, a mix.
And the mix.
I think it's like something like that.
Mix everything.
Yeah, and then you eat.
And then you eat.
This mustard.
You eat the ice or just eat the noodles?
You eat the noodles. But you can drink also. And then if you need more, you put more.
More, you put more.
Go.
Okay. So ako naman, di ba? Kasi bida-bida ako. Buka-bukaan. Open, back.
Maybe try it first.
Ha?
I was gonna say try it first.
Ay, okay. Wala na. Nalagay ko na. Ilaban na natin to. Top of the noodles?
한점 바꿔드려.
This is so much.
Yes. Okay, ilaban na natin to para diba? Panindigan na natin dahil sinabi natin gusto natin ng cold noodles. Shit, first time ko kakain ng cold noodles. Ano ba to?
Yeah?
Good. Do you want to try? Try this. Tapos na kami kumain ng dinner and this time meron kaming tour sa isang yate. Mag-yate kami to see the beautiful nightscape of Busan. I am so excited! Hindi siya ganun kalamig, to be honest. It's as if like we're in Baguio. Parang ganong level. So, yung sapatos namin, pinaiwan dito sa dock. Tapos binigyan kami ng slides. And we need to wear our life jacket. Thank you. Ito yung yate namin.
Please watch yourself.
Thank you. Ito siya. This is our team captain. Ay, this is our ship captain. Hello, sir. Busy siya. Ayun na, gumagalaw na kami. Yay!
The creators can go in front of them.
We can go here.
Yeah.
Wow, nakahiga kami dito.
Do not go inside the net.
Busan!
Oh, there's fireworks.
There's fireworks?
Yeah, there's fireworks right there.
Do that. Yes, sir. We are having a new business meeting. Yes, sir. This is gonna be a tour for the tourists of Indonesia, Brazil, and the Philippines. Yes, sir. So thank you very much for participating.
And okay.
Patapos na pala yung Busan adventure namin and I'm very glad na ginawa namin yung yacht around the river. Tokyo, what's the name of the river? Do you remember? Huh? Ocean? It's an ocean. Ocean pala siya. So nag-ocean cruise kami and it's very memorable. Hindi lang basta-basta kasi nakakapag-yate ka, di ba? So, ganda nung experience. It's so romantic and at the same time, it's so magical to spend it with people na kasama mo. I'm really glad na yung mga kasama ko dito is someone na parang happy ako na I'm spending it with them. Kahit nakakakilala ko lang sa kanila a few days ago. There's a flight from Manila, from Cebu, from Clark, and from Bohol. Papunta dito sa Busan. So it's very, very easy and very accessible to go from your respective airports to Gimhae International Airport. So, ayun, puntahan nyo. As in, sobrang worth it. Ang ganda talaga. I wish I could explore more. Pero one day lang yung ini-spend namin dito sa Busan. So, fighting! Let's go! Punta na kami sa hotel namin ngayon. See you there. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung hotel. And, ayun na. Naka-check-in na kami dito sa Grand Joseon. Dito sa Busan. Pero, nag-invite yung mom ni Rafa na mag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa Busan. So, kahit medyo pagod na, syempre nag-yes kami kasi minsan lang naman kami dito pumunta sa Busan. So, ito, dito kami nakastay. Grand Joseon, grabe. It's a 5-star hotel here in Busan. Sobrang ako, blessed talaga ako na I was able to be part of this program. Naglalakad na kami. Just exploring the city at night. Ito, dito, beach area na yan. Dito lang yung hotel namin. Then here is the beach area. Pero dito ata kami pupunta. Hello po. O, tinan mo, may bike. Eto, may Christmas tree pero wala pang laman. Yes, we can. O, ang daming nanguhula. Ang daming mga fortune tellers. So, eto may hula-hula na kayo. So, Camille. Wait. Are you reading? Yeah, let's go. May mga fortune tellers dito. So, na yung fortune tellers dito sa street na to. So nice. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo, meron din nung Thursday party. Kung natatandaan nyo sa previous vlog ko sa Hongdae, sinabi ko na favorite bar ko yan. So Thursday party is here also in Busan. And I'm pretty sure maraming mga international people na nandyan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Haeundae Traditional Market. So, we have so many street food here. Ayan. Ito yung traditional na mga coin-coin. Ang galing. Cutie. Kapta. What is this? Souvenir. Trinkets. May makilala ba kayong artista dyan? Ito mga pasalubong kung gusto nyo, candies.
Is that high? Yeah. Oh, the highest score is... Wow.
Yes.
Muji again.
Your turn. Your turn.
Di nakuha. Oh!
I will protect you, Camille.
Oh!
That's high.
That's pretty high.
No, go.
He always be number one.
Yeah, he always be number one.
Go, Ramal.
Boom!
Whoa!
You're the highest score.
Highest score, what?
Yeah.
Highest.
Muji, go! Muji! No! Muji, go! No!
A high score. No. Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
At King Crab. What's 299,000?
Alaskan crab.
This is no crab. This is king crab. First time kong makakita ng king crab sa bubuhay ko. Naglag ako. So, what did you get?
I get the honeycomb ice cream.
Oh, can you buy it? Can you get this?
I don't think so. I think this
Just
is
the
for
ice
the
cream.
yes.
Oh, you get. Oh, 6,000 won. Oh. Oh, diabetes.
Diabetes?
Thank you.
Kamsahamnida.
Isda, wala na. Hihingalo na siya.
Maybe sleeping.
Yeah, maybe sleeping. Kayo naman, may mga fresh food din kung gusto nyo. Bango ng amoy. Sana naaamoy nyo to ngayon. Kasi ibang klase. Titignan nila yung yung puso ko. Bakit? Annyeonghaseyo. I want this.
How much?
Tteokbokki. I don't know. How much for this?
Oh, 5,600.
5,600. Grabe. Ang anghang nung odeng. Ito. Oh, take out pa more. Ganyan din mo. Umaano na siya. Umaapaw na yung sabaw. Ang anghang. Pero ang sarap. Ito tayo sa Hyundai Beach. It's one of the most popular beaches here in South Korea. So, mga k-drama dito pupunta. Wow.
Oh, it's right. Wow.
Yeah, this is our hotel. Ito yung beach. May ilaw siya kapag gabi. Tapos pwede pa rin maglakad yung mga tao. But dahil nga malamig ngayon, I guess hindi pwedeng mag-swim. May police na rumoronda. Ayun o, yung umiilaw. May umiilaw doon. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Ito yung hotel namin, Grand Joseon. Wala, lakad-lakad lang, ganyan. Bawal manigarilyo dito sa beach. Sa labas ng hotel namin, merong mga dogs na nakatambay. Sobrang cute. In the hotel. And I want to show you lang, quick tour of my hotel room. I'm so tired, but I want to show you kung gaano kaganda yung hotel room na binigay nila sa amin. Katapon ko lang to. So, ito yung kwarto namin. Pagpasok mo, meron kang makikitang cabinet. Sa cabinet na to, you can see some storage and safety box. Kung saan pwede mong ilagay yung i-secure yung items mo with a passcode. Tapos, meron din dito ang lagayan ng mga luggage. May bathrobe and meron ding shoe cleaner. Dito yung mini fridge. Boom! Ayan o, may free water. Merong coffee. So, you can try. May coffee sila. Oh, di ba? May coffee. Galing, pwede din tryin bukas. Ayan, may libreng sparkling water at merong libreng Pringles. It's free daw. So, tas merong malaking television here. Merong workspace. Tapos ito, merong queen size bed. At merong double bed. Double bed, single bed. Tapos ito, merong mirror. Merong smart toilet. Ayan, merong bidet, merong bidet, may dryer. Ito rin pinipindot din dito yung flash. Liquid soap, merong body lotion, may hot water, vanity kit, comb, shower cap. And for here, sustainable din sila. Pinipindot lang ang shampoo, conditioner, at body wash. At ito ang shower nila. And of course, meron ding pa-bathrobe at nasan yung libreng towel. Ayun lang, that's a quick room tour sa aking hotel dito sa Grand Joseon, dito sa Busan, South Korea. Maraming salamat for joining me in this vlog sa Busan. At yes, ito, i-end ko na talaga siya. I'm so happy, I'm so glad that this is that I experienced this. This has been an incredible trip so far. Maraming salamat for watching my vlog. I do hope you subscribe kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, and please do give your comments anong masasabi nyo sa vlog ko na to. And ayun, see you sa susunod kong vlog dahil pupunta tayong Muju para mag taekwondo. Let's do this! Bye-bye! Thank you!